Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friend, welcome to Entry App. My name is Akash Shukla and I teach you quantitative aptitude for all banking exams at Entry App. Today we here gonna discuss about a very most important topic, a very most important banking exam, that is SBI Clerk 2021. Yes guys, SBI Clerk 2020 has been finished now, but now the question is what the SBI Clerk 2020 notification dates, the number of vacancies and the subject wise strategy and study plan will also be discussing in this session. That means this session will be very informative and this session will be an all-in-one session guys, okay, an all-in-one session where you will not only have the information of the notification, number of vacancy, exam date, but also the subject wise strategy and study plan as well. So let's start guys. So first of all, let's have an overlook on SBI Clerk 2021 number of vacancies guys. If we talk about the number of vacancies, so every year SBI Clerk basically comes with almost 8,000 plus vacancies. So this time you will have, or you may have the vacancies around 8,000 plus vacancies or 7,500 plus vacancies, and as a general category you will have the vacancies of 3,000 to 3,500. But for the rest of the category like EWS, SC, ST, OBS, you will have the vacancies of 4,500 to 5,000 plus. Okay, and talking about the important dates that will be tentative again. So for SBI Clerk 2021 guys, notification announcement, so January 2021 is expecting date for the announcement of the notification, but due to the pandemic you may expect that the exam that the notification date you may have in February first week guys. Okay, admit card release just February 2021 to March, and prelims date will be Feb to March 2021, and your mains exam date will be April 2021. But guys, this is very certain that you will have this vacancy because SBI Clerk is a vacancy that comes every year. Because guys, you know, all of the banking exams, whether it's SBI PO, SBI Clerk, RRB PO, RRB Clerk, IBPS PO, IBPS Clerk, comes every year. Okay, and this time SBI Clerk 2021 will come with these dates, but these are the tentative dates. Okay, now guys, let's have an overlook on SBI Clerk 2021 pre-exam pattern. Guys, you know that there are three major sections: English language, quantitative aptitude and reasoning ability, from which you will have 30, 35 questions respectively. So in this way you will have total of 100 questions, and because each question is of 1 mark, so you will have the complete question paper of 100 marks, and 20 minute time will be allotted with for each section guys. So 1 hour duration of the complete paper will be there. So section timing is always there. Please note that 20 minute timing will be allotted for each section. Okay, so guys, this is all about the exam pattern. And now guys, let us discuss what are the important topics for quantitative aptitude. Like what are the topics that you may have the question from those one in the examination. So guys, if we talk about the topics, so simplification and approximation is very most important topic as far as quantitative aptitude is concerned. So you will have question from 5 to 10 and 10 to 15 in the examination. Yes guys, and these questions are from easy to moderate level as far as this topic is concerned. So you will have the question from easy to moderate level, and missing number, wrong number series question will be there. So either the question from missing number or wrong number series will be there, but the quantity of the question will be 5 guys. Okay, and another important topic is quadratic equation guys. 5 questions will be there from this topic, and data interpretation is also become important because 5 to 10 questions from this topic, either pie chart, tabular graph, bar graph, or sometimes you may also see the question from K-slate DI guys. And rest of the question like miscellaneous is nothing but only arithmetic portion guys. Okay, only arithmetic portion, from where you will have the question from the topic like ratio, okay, ratio, age, percentage, profit and loss. These are the very most important topics, arithmetic topics, that you will have definitely the question in the question paper. So profit and loss, okay, and your speed, time and distance, okay guys, SI and CI, Partnership is basically a topic where you will have the question, you may have question or not. Okay, so this is there is a possibility of 50% of the question coming from the partnership. And work and time, so definitely the question will be there from work and time, guys. And mensuration. So these are the important topics from where you will have definitely the question in the question paper. So these are the arithmetic portion, guys. Okay, so this is the quantitative aptitude important topics. So let's talk about the study plan. So guys, while you will be making the study plan, so please focus. If you are preparing for the SBI Clerk 2021, so I will suggest you please focus more on these topics, okay, because these are the important topics like simplification, approximation, number series, quadratic equation, data interpretation. From these topic only you will have the question 25 at least out of 35, guys. Okay, so these topic obviously become important, so you just need to focus more on these topic, okay, so that you can maximize your score in quantitative aptitude section. While making the study plan, please focus on these topics as much as possible. And guys, rest of the arithmetic portion I already told you, like 10 to 12 question will be there from arithmetic only, and the question from ratio, proportion, average, age, percentage, profit and loss, SI and CI, partnership, work and time, pipe and system, speed, time and distance. Along with the speed, time and distance, you will have the question from train, boats and steam. So sometimes you have the question like 1 to 2 or 2 to 3 from speed, time and distance. Okay, like simple problems will be there, and apart from the simple problem, either the question from train based or boat and steam, and sometimes question from both the topics will be there. Okay, so guys, focus on these topics. Permutation, combination, probability. There is always a chance of 50% possibility of questions coming from permutation, combination and probability, but the question from mensuration always come. Okay, so guys, please focus on these topics. And you know, it is very easy to crack SBI Clerk 2020. Why I am saying, guys? Why I am saying? Because you know, syllabus is fixed. Okay, syllabus is fixed. Pattern, okay, pattern is fixed. Pattern in the sense, what the pattern says, guys, pattern is fixed because you know, level of the question from easy to moderate always. So guys, for the SBI Clerk exam, pattern is fixed, syllabus is fixed, and you know, the topics, important topics, I must say, okay, important topics is always fixed, guys. So guys, these three things are fixed, and only these three things makes exam difficult or easy. So these things, three things are fixed, so these are predetermined. I've already told you guys, these are the predetermined, so you can easily crack the SBI Clerk 2021 exam. Okay, let's have an overlook on reasoning ability section. So guys, as far as you know, reasoning ability section is concerned, so the important topic is puzzle and sitting arrangement, from where you will have the question from 15 to 20. So whenever I speak the name as reasoning ability, so the first name comes in the mind, that is puzzle and sitting arrangement, because the number of questions coming from this topic is very huge, like 15 to 20. Coding, decoding, you have the question from 3 to 5. Blood relation, you have the question 3 to 5. Direction sensor, you have the question from 3. And slogs and inequality, you have the question from 3 to 5. So either the slogs will be there or inequality will be there. Okay, order ranking, again you have the question from 3 to 5. Miscellaneous, 2 to 3 questions. So there is the total of 35 questions from the reasoning ability. So guys, while making your study plan, so most scoring topics, you know, puzzles, most scoring topics you will have what? Puzzles and your seating arrangement. So guys, try to focus more on these two topics. Okay, try to solve as much as question you can from these topic only. And you know, from puzzle, day and month based puzzle, floor and flat based, age based, sitting arrangement based. Sitting arrangement in the sense, you will have the puzzle from circular sitting arrangement, rectangular sitting arrangement, okay, 2-row sitting arrangement, single row sitting based arrangement, triangular sitting based arrangement. So these are the sitting based arrangement question. There you can see here circular, linear, row, square, rectangle, triangle, etc. So only these are the question as puzzle and sitting arrangement. For the miscellaneous topics, order ranking, direction sensitive, blood relation, coding, decoding, slogs, inequality, word formation, alphabetical and numeric series based questions you may have in the examination. And these are the 10 to 15 questions. Again, as far as guys reasoning ability is concerned, so guys pattern is fixed, number of question from a topic is fixed, okay, and syllabus is also fixed. So guys, you can easily crack SBI Clerk 2021, okay, not 2020, because 2020 have already been fixed, has already been done. So 2021 you can easily crack, guys, okay. Now talking about the English language strategy, basically the important topics from the English language: cloze test, reading comprehension, error detection, sentence correction, single fillers, match the following based sentence formation, okay, from where you have the question, the number of question are displayed in on your screen, guys, okay. And guys, in the English language, reading comprehension part, okay, reading comprehension part is being reduced little by little, but your grammar part is being increased by little, okay. So what examiner does, basically examiner is more focusing on the grammar part, okay. So your grammar part must be strong. You must know what are the important rules, okay. You must know important rule in the sense like what is adjective, okay, and how we can recognize an adjective in the given in the sentence, okay. Adjective is what, pronoun is what, okay, noun is what, and your articles, what kind of articles are there and what are their uses, okay. And parts of speech is what, and even your types of sentence, okay, your types of sentences, what types of sentences and how we can use, and what are the formation of the sentences. So these are the grammar parts, guys, you can go through. So all the rules you can go through if you want to crack the English language section. Again, apart from the rules, guys, your syllabus is fixed, your topics from where the question is coming is fixed, okay, your pattern is fixed. So obviously cracking the reading comprehension part for the SBI Clerk 2021 is also easy, guys. Question will be from easy to moderate, okay, from easy to moderate, so no need to worry about, there will be no any question of high level, just like the SBI PO, okay. So it is very easy to crack this section. As far as, guys, study plan is concerned, so let me tell you, while making your study plan, please focus more on miscellaneous topics in the sense the topics that are completely based on the grammar. What are those topics? Except the reading comprehension only. So guys, spotting error, sentence improvement, sentence corrections, phrase replacement, fillers, cloze test, sentence rearrangement. So practice as much as you can from these topics, okay. And reading comprehension, from this topic you will have the question from 5 to 10 only. So guys, from these topics you just need to attempt 22 question here, okay, and you just need to attempt here what 5 question is. So you can easily score 27 in the English language section. So this must be the strategy, this must be the study plan, or this is the way how you can make your study plan for the SBI Clerk 2021, okay, guys. So I hope you got all the thing in the video. And guys, there's one more important thing I need to announce in front of you. If you are preparing for not only for the SBI Clerk, not only for the SBI exam, but also for IBPS exams in 2021 out there, if you're preparing for all these exams, then you can go with our entry gold banking batch, okay. We are going to start this batch from Jan 2nd 2021. So you can, if you want to be the part of this, or if you want to be the member of this batch, then you can fill the form given, link in the description field. You can go with that link, and with that form you can fill that form to be the part of that batch. If we talk about, guys, features of this batch, complete exam oriented study material guidance I will be providing you, because I am your entry banking mentor. So every day will be providing you each topic, okay. Every day at least one topic will be doing. So in this way you will have the 90 days study plan. I will suggest you the study plan also, and video classes, PDF notes will be providing in a WhatsApp group. So this is based on the WhatsApp group, completely virtual like things, okay. Practice questions will be there, lots of practice questions. Premium live class through Zoom app, not any YouTube, guys, through Zoom app or Meetlink will be providing you the live classes. WhatsApp group will be making, definitely I will already told you, priority will give the priority to the important topics, not only all topics. First give the priority to the important topics. Complete mentorship will be providing you at any time, like 24/7 is a connectivity in between the mentor and you guys. 1 year free access of all banking course, whatever the courses, there are very lots of so many courses are available on Entry app, so you will have the access for all those courses for 1 year under the Entry Gold Banking. So guys, this is the features of the Entry Gold Banking. I hope guys this video will be very useful for you, and you know at what time guys SBI Clerk 2021 will be announced. So these are the important dates you can have. Okay, and admit card release, like prelims exam date, mains exam date. SBI Clerk 2021 announced every year, every banking exams announced every year. So guys, please stay on your study and keep studying guys. So we'll finish this video now, we'll wind up this session. So this is Akash Shukla signing off, and good luck for the exam guys. And yeah, please don't forget to like the video and share this as well, and subscribe to the channel also. Thank you very much guys.